All right, we're gonna look at the tracks in here. And we're gonna pop these off. They're so easy to pop off. But I already seen a farmer on the group.
Facebook group.
The Facebook group, he has taken all this off and he's done this with this. He's got rid of that. And I don't know if they have safety concerns or why. Me and him's thinking the same thing. We've been around equipment with tracks for a long time. None of them have stuff that traps the dirt. Now, I don't know if this, you know, if you get sticks in here, that's going to be a problem too. So that's going to be a problem no matter what. This thing does not like little twigs or nothing. But you can see how it's got everything in there. But it looks like he took this bracket off here and it's wide open. Like it would let a lot of this stuff, see how clumped up this is?
Yeah.
It would let it fall out. And the way they got these sprockets, it's more of an inner sprocket. These are going to wear off. See these pieces here? They're going to start getting caught in there. And they was talking about putting silicone. I don't know if they want you silicone in the... I got to figure that out. Because if you're putting silicone on the tracks, I mean, you're going to have to do that all the time. Like, I don't see any silicone in here. I mean, I don't know. I almost want to take these tracks off and look at it like that, but...
Then you got to worry about getting them back on.
Yeah, and I don't see... There is no adjustments. There's a mounting bar on the back here. I've noticed that. What's that for? Now look down at the bottom track down there. See all this stuff in here? I don't know. I don't know why they put that for safety reasons or whatever. But we'll stay with the Facebook group, see how that's going. Yeah, I don't know. Let me flip this up like this. Yeah, I see. Does this move? It looks like this may move. Maybe we can adjust the tracks. I don't know. I see a bar here too. Maybe it's a slide tensioner. Yeah, it looks like it may slide. So that's good. That's good. Maybe it does have tension on there. See, if they just tell us, hey, it's self-tensioning on the tracks, because it looks like it can slide. So that's awesome. That's awesome news. I think if they have to, they can switch the tracks out. We could get heavy-duty tracks, switch the sprockets out to something that's made for a machine, because the ones that's made for a machine, they have steel cables in them. They have actual steel on the rubber tracks, and rubber tracks last